Hi, my name is Jessica Warren. I'm your Director of Client Experience here at Breakthrough, and I wanted to share a little bit with you about how I had a recent experience with breaking my toe. Can you believe it? I was moving and I dropped something heavy on my big toe and it actually broke. So of course I had to go to urgent care, and when I got there, they actually took an x-ray and told me in fact it was broken, which explains all the pain that I was experiencing. And then I realized I was gonna have to have crutches and also a post-op boot. But the way that it was explained to me at urgent care is simply that I could order the crutches on Amazon. And so when I got the crutches in the mail, I didn't know what to do with them after that. It wasn't until I actually came into the office here at Breakthrough that I was told by one of our best physical therapists how to actually properly use the crutches. And today we're gonna demonstrate how to be properly fitted for your crutches in case you have an injury just like mine.
Hi, my name is Julia Tang. I'm a physical therapist here at Breakthrough Physical Therapy, and I'm gonna help Jessica here fit these crutches to her and then help her walk around the clinic with them. So you don't want to lean with your armpit directly on the top of the crutch because that'll kind of compress all the nerves that run to your arm right there. So you want to hug them between your arm and the side of your ribs. And the first thing is put them about 2 inches out to the side of your foot and about 6 inches in front. So now that we've adjusted the crutches to fit you, go ahead and tuck those between your arms and your ribs. For you, since you're not allowed to put full weight on the front of your foot at least, what you're gonna do is your left leg we're gonna call your affected side. So the crutches are gonna go with your affected side, and then you're gonna step up level with your right. You're gonna go forward with the crutches and the left foot together with the right. Forward with crutches, left foot together with the right. Is go forward with the crutches and then through with the right. So it's more like, yep, and then step through, good. Step through. Good, very nice. Okay, so there's a few different gaits that you can have with crutches. One is you can just use it for balance. You can go with the same or opposite foot, opposite crutch. Just use this for a little bit of balance. Or if you really need help with balance, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is slower, but it also is a little bit more stable since you only have one thing moving at once. The other thing is, very commonly you have to be off one leg completely if you're either in a brace, sprained your ankle really bad, had a surgery. So at that point you want to put the crutches in front of you and then swing through. So crutch, foot, crutch, foot. If it's kind of wet outside, you can do swing 2 so you don't go past the level of the crutches. So crutch, bring the foot up between the crutches, crutch forward, foot up between the crutches, crutch forward, foot up between the crutches, just like that. The other option is if you've got tired of 2 and you don't have any restrictions about how much weight you can put on your leg, you can just throw one away. You want to put the crutch in the opposite hand of your bad leg. So say my bad leg is my right leg, I want to put the crutch in the left hand. So it would go my right leg, the crutch, and then left leg comes through. So bad leg with crutch, other leg comes through.